Dalang.
Be, tumatawag na si Mama. Hello, Ma? Opo, Ma. Pauwi na po. Sige.
Ika na, Mi. Itawag ko na pa ng mama mo. Okay, narap na rin ako sa bahay.
Sige, uwi na tayo. Magagabi na rin eh. Bye na. Bye rin ako. Bye-bye. Ayoko po, inanak na ako ni Mama eh.
Awareness about sexual harassment is important, especially for teenagers, because this is the stage where they start building relationships, confidence, and self-identity. By learning what sexual harassment is and understanding its impact, teens can protect themselves from harmful behavior and also learn to respect boundaries of others. It teaches them the value of consent, equality, and kindness, helping them grow into responsible individuals. With proper awareness, teenagers become more empowered to speak up, support others, and contribute to creating safe and respectful environments in school and their communities.